Become a master artist in no time. Unlock your artistic potential with over 42 hours of easy-to-follow training videos. Our step-by-step lessons are designed to help you draw better than you ever imagined, even if you're just starting out. Clear, comprehensive lessons. Each 2-hour lesson is packed with simple, plain English instructions. No guesswork, just everything you need to know to master drawing. Learn anytime, anywhere with lifetime access to all classes. You can learn at your own pace. Watch on your PC, Mac, tablet, or phone, whenever and wherever it suits you. From basics to mastery, start with the essentials. Discover the right tools and techniques. Soon, you'll be creating hyper-realistic portraits. Your first drawing will be gallery-ready, and in no time, you'll be amazed by your rapid progress. Hands-on, practical learning. Forget dull lectures. Dive into real drawings with every lesson, mastering concepts like shading, texture, and reflections by doing them. Each class is a hands-on experience, ensuring you understand and remember everything you learn. Draw along in real time. Our professionally filmed classes allow you to draw along in real time. Whether you're at home, in the studio, or on the go, you can follow along and practice. High-quality viewing. Adjust the video quality to suit your internet connection. Watch in full HD or save bandwidth. Either way, you'll get a clear, detailed view of every technique. Portraits made simple with your new skills. Drawing realistic portraits becomes second nature. We break down each feature, eyes, noses, mouths, ears, so you can draw them with confidence. From hair to beards, you'll learn it all, and soon, you'll be taking on portrait commissions that look like photos. Don't just take our word for it. See what our students have created and hear what they have to say about the course. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Start drawing like a pro today.